Statutory rules or executive instructions incorporating certain guidelines need to be framed and issued by the government of India and oblique or the state governments in consultation with the Medical Council of India full stop. So long as it is not done, we propose to lay down certain guidelines for the future which should govern the prosecution of doctors for offences of which criminal rashness or criminal negligence is an ingredient full stop. A private complaint may not be entertained unless the complainant has produced prima facie evidence before the court in the form of a credible opinion given by another competent doctor to support the charge of rashness or negligence on the part of the accused doctor. The investigating officer should, before proceeding against the doctor accused of rash or negligent act or omission, obtain an independent and competent medical opinion, preferably from a doctor in government service qualified in that branch of medical practice who can normally be expected to give an impartial and unbiased opinion applying so and so test to the fact collected in the investigation full stop. A doctor accused of rashness or negligence may not be arrested in a routine manner simply because a charge has been leveled against him full stop, unless his arrest is necessary for furthering the investigation or for collecting evidence, or unless the investigation officer feels satisfied that the doctor proceeded against would not make himself available to face the prosecution unless arrested. The arrest may be withheld full stop stanza. Therefore, statutory rules or executive instructions incorporating certain guidelines need to be framed and issued by the government of India and oblique or the state governments in consultation with the Medical Council of India governing the prosecution of doctors for offences of which criminal rashness or criminal negligence is an ingredient full stop. Till such statutory rules or executive instructions are issued, the guidelines so issued by the apex court should be followed full stop. The government of Kerala had issued executive instructions and guidelines to police officers in regard to investigation of complaints against doctors in government service for their acts of commission or omission in the medical care of patients by way of a circular memorandum in 1984 for the first time full stop. Subsequently, the government had issued a few more circulars modifying the executive instructions and guidelines full stop. The government had issued circular memorandum dated 29/1993 incorporating for the first time executive instructions and guidelines similar to that of the executive instructions and guidelines applicable to doctors in government sector in respect of investigation of complaints against doctors in private sector. Full stop. Subsequently, also, the government had issued certain circulars in regard to investigation of complaints against doctors